Hello guys, this is Hamis from Digital Learners. Today I'm going to guide you through how you can implement Google Recaptcha V2 and integrate it with your contact form. By adding this security feature, I can guarantee that all your real humans will be able to submit forms from your website, blog, or whatever platform you're using. If this is a problem you're facing, make sure you follow this tutorial to the end because you have come to the right place. For easy comprehension, we have divided this tutorial into 4 steps. Step 1, we are going to install Contact Form 7 plugin and activate it. Step 2, we are going to install Recaptcha version 2 plugin and activate it. Step 3, we are going to obtain the relevant APIs and keys from Google and install them into the plugin. Step 4, which is the final step, we are going to test and activate the Recaptcha. So guys, let's go to step 1 right away. Okay guys, we are now at the first step where we are going to install Contact Form 7, and I will show you how to integrate it on it. Before we get to that, I just want to show you this website. This is the contact page of the website and there is no contact form on it. So all you need to do if you want to install the plugin and create one, first of all you go to your plugin site, you click on add new plugin. Here you type in Contact Form 7. So Contact Form 7 will pop up. Look, this is a plugin here. You click on install. After you install, finish installation, then you activate the plugin. Now we have the plugin activated. So what remains is to create a new contact form and integrate it with the sites that I showed you just earlier. So what you need to do now is to go to your contact at the back end of your WordPress dashboard, contact forms. When you click on contact forms, you by default when you install Contact Form 7, it's going to come up with a default form. So this is our default form and that's the code attached to it. So you can also edit the form to suit your preference in terms of the fields, the name fields, the email field, the subject, on the submit button. It depends on what you want. You can add, you can reduce the fields, you can make it compulsory by using the asterisk after the codes, the text or the email of the label that you are using. Yeah, you can all uncheck that, but that's another tutorial. We're going to deal with that in details. So, but let's go on create the form. So what you need to do if you want to have the form created on the page, you copy this code, this very code you're having, then you go to the page that you want to have the form created, then you search for, you click on plus sign here, so you have this field, then you can search for, click the hamburger sign and search for codes, or short codes. Yeah, this is what we are looking at, then we paste the code here. So after you paste the fields here, then you paste your code in this field. Immediately you can see after I paste the code, the contact form has just popped up and populated here. So that's exactly what we are seeing at the back end here, where you have the codes here, the name, the email. That's what you are seeing here. Displays the name, the email, and the message body as well as submit button. If you observe, there is no Google Recaptcha here integrated to it. So in anybody or bots or whatever, spammers can come and start flooding you with emails that you don't want. So that's what we are going to work on now to prevent. So let's dive into the second step. So in the second step of the tutorial, we are going to install and activate Recaptcha V2 plugin. So we still go back to our dashboard, WordPress dashboard. We click on plugin, then we click on add new. When we click on add new plugin, then we search for Recaptcha V2 for contact form. So Recaptcha will come up. This is the plugin that you need. Yeah, I know it's a very good plugin. It has this is 5-star rating plugin with over 300,000 active installation. That tells you how good and effective it is. So you click on install the plugin, and also after installing, then you activate. So we have now activated the plugin. So what you need to do, we need to look at the plugin and make sure that everything that is needed, is set to perfectly. So you go to contact again, and at the back end of your on your WordPress dashboard, you click on new platform, website, or any platform you're using. You click on integration. You scroll down. You look for Recaptcha and set up an integration under Recaptcha. You can say. So you click on that. After you click on that, it will take you to, you will see where you need to input your APIs here, APIs keys. But before that, you also need to go to Recaptcha and make sure that it is. But before that, you also need to go to Recaptcha and make sure that it's set to version 2, and also under Google, then you submit. After you submit, then we go to the next step of the tutorial, which is obtaining the APIs and also integrating them with the plugin that we just installed. So going to the third step of the tutorial, to get the APIs, you need to go to tab, Recaptcha. Recaptcha. When you hit the enter key, it will come up here. You click on Recaptcha, but please make sure that you log into your Gmail account before you do that. Then you click on admin console. When you click on admin console, then here you can click on okay, I already have one site on it, but let me delete this site so that we can do that afresh. Okay, so we want to register a new site now. We're going to put in the level we want to use. Let me use this. That's just then we come here and select V2. So you select V2. Also, this automatically, these are not errorable, will be selected. Then you add your domain here. Then you submit. So after submission, Google will check and validate. Then we generate new API keys for you. This is the site key and the secret key. So this is what you are going to copy. The site key, you come back to your WordPress dashboard, where you paste the site keys. So when you are here, you click on integration. After you click on integration, you come to Recaptcha V2. Recaptcha. Select Recaptcha. Here you have the keys field. You put in the site key, then you copy the secret key and also put the same there. Then you save changes. After saving changes, it will validate and also give you that okay, you can see the Recaptcha now is been validated by Google. So then this brings us, now we have the APIs obtained and also saved and integrated in. So the next thing is to integrate it to the website, which is the last step of the tutorial, and also test the Recaptcha whether it's really integrated very well. So let's dive in. We come to our to the back end of our website. We click on the Recaptcha. So then we copy this code here. This code, we take it to the forms we created earlier Under the forms, we click on edit. When you click on edit, then we paste the code somewhere down here. Use staff key to paste the code here. So it's not looking really good, but you know, if you're familiar with coding, you know what's going on, then you save. So after saving, what we need to do is to come you can see our contact form doesn't have any Recaptcha on it, the one we just created. So what we need to do is to refresh our website. You know, you can see the website and you can see the boiler, you can see the Recaptcha here comes up. So anybody that wants to submit anything, you know, has to go through the quiz and pass the authentication before, you know, the form got submitted on any platform. So that's it for now. Thank you.
Hi guys, that's it. Now you know how to integrate your contact form with Recaptcha version 2 plugin. So make sure you follow this step by step when we are going to do it. I'm sure you're not going to have any issue with spam emails again in your email boxes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please kindly subscribe and hit the like button. It's really important to us and it keeps us, you know, producing this kind of videos that are really important to you. So for now, that's it, and see you in the next video. Thank you.